Hey guys, and welcome back. So today we're doing something a little bit different. If you watched my first vlog of the year, I mentioned that I wanted to start taking my own reference photos. So I bought some flowers and I'm going to create like a little arrangement with these. Probably photograph some of the flowers individually and we'll go from there. So not only am I going to use some of these for paintings, but I'm also going to upload a few to Patreon. So the $5 tier and up, you guys get a couple reference photos royalty free that you could use for reference photos for paintings, drawings, whatever you like. And yeah, so I'm going to get started on that and take you guys along on this process. Also, just a small little disclaimer, I don't know what I'm doing. So if you have any tips, tricks, anything with creating arrangements, please leave me a comment down below. And yeah, let's start arranging some of these flowers. So I think I want to set up a table here in front of the window so that the curtains will be in the background. They have a nice little texture and pattern to them, but probably when I paint from these photos, I will just make the curtain a solid color and not include all the detail, but I think that it'll look really neat with all the different folds and whatnot. So I'm going to get a little table set up here and start cutting some of the flowers. It's just gonna be a little table, but I really like the darkness of the wood, so I think that will be good. Yeah, and it'll be a little bit backlit, but once I get it into Photoshop, I think it'll be fine. Okay, for now I changed my mind and we're gonna go with a lighter wood top. Okay, so I do know that on the top here, we're gonna want a little grid so that the flower stems can sit within the grid. Alright, so I think this is going to work a little bit better. I just cut the tape down the center and I'm going to fill out the rest of the base. Alright, I think I'm gonna leave it there and start adding in some of the flowers. So I'm just gonna start by organizing the different flowers into different piles based on what they are. Here are all the different ones. These roses are so pretty. Alright, so I know I want to start out with adding some of this greenery out to the edge. So that is what I have so far. Next I'm gonna go in with these. So I'm going to change the angle real quick so you guys can see it come together a little bit more. Alright, so this is what it's looking like so far. Wolds, the other flowers go in. I think those will rise up a little bit more, but the stems are all pretty short, so they're not going in the vase all the way. Alright, so next I'm going to add these two pink carnations, and they're the only two carnations that I have. Okay, so I think I'm actually going to cut these guys down a little bit more. Now the statement pieces of this bouquet. These roses are so pretty. And I really like how, like this white rose, it has some like wear and tear on it, but I think it just adds to the bouquet, especially when I go to start painting it. Okay, so I want to take all these leaves off the rose because there's already so much greenery happening. I don't want to add more to it, but I do want to get a couple photos of these roses with the leaves before I cut them off. So I'm going to grab another vase and grab my other camera and photograph these real quick. Now lastly, I'm going to add some of this. So here she is. I love how it turned out. I like that I decided to keep this a little bit longer so it just kind of creates like a big arrow almost. I think it helps move your eye around a lot. So yeah, I am going to photograph this. If you follow me on Instagram, then you will be able to see the final photos. And also, if you join Patreon for the $5 tier or up, then you will get some of these as the February royalty-free photos. So I already have January's up, so this will be February's. Let me know how you guys think I did. Where can I improve? Like I said, I've never done this before, but it was really fun to do. So I definitely want to do it again. And yeah. Be sure to subscribe before you go so you don't miss out on any video. And that is it for today. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.